Hey everybody, just got my loot crate in. See it right there. This is the first one. This is for August, so let's get this open. Got the tape cut. Got a little card in there for a founding member. Guess I'm number 130. A little insert. Let's see, got a sticker in here. And a gift card. Gentle Giant. Some kind of poster card here. Let's see, some beef jerky. Love me some beef jerky. At least it's got piranha in it. Gonna be eating that later. Got some gum here. Home energy gum. We got, more energy gum. Jolt. I've actually had that before, it's not too bad. Got a little figure there. This is the Domo. The luchador mask on. What else we got here? Oh, got some cologne in here. Look at this. Patriot cologne. Really packed. Insert for the clones that it came with. Oh, I guess that's the Captain America clone that I received. Right on, and I believe that is it. So that was the first Loot Crate box I've ever received. Thank you guys for sending it to me. I'm gonna be using this stuff, eating this jerky probably right after this video. Alright.